In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, an iPhone stuck on the Apple logo usually means the software has crashed during a boot sequence or an update, and you can almost always fix this yourself without losing data if you follow these steps in order. So the first one is the force restart. This isn't the most common solution as it cuts the power to the frozen process and forces the hardware to try again. So what you got to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it past the black screen, and even when the Apple logo appears again, release it only after the phone successfully moves to the lock screen. And this can take up to 20 to 30 seconds, so just be patient. If the force restart doesn't work, your system files might be corrupted, so you can reinstall the software via a computer without erasing your photos or apps by choosing update instead of restore. So connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC using Apple devices or iTunes, then perform the force restart steps above, but keep holding the side button even after the logo appears, and release only when you see the recovery mode screen. And on your computer, a pop-up is going to appear, just click update, and this will attempt to repair the OS while keeping your data safe. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.